So I will now show the execution of a robot here in Primo RPA Studio. And once again, I have opened here a project that is built based on the HTTP framework. And in this case here, we have an automation of creating leads on the CRM website. And to explain a little bit better the HTTP framework, I will not enter in too much details about the actual implementation. But the main idea is that the framework is comprised of two parts: a producer process and a consumer process. The producer process is responsible for getting items from any type of data source, input data source you desire, such as Excel spreadsheets, a website, and etc., and inputting them into a database of your choice too. And the consumer process will then query this database, and after each row it retrieves there, it will process it. So in our case here, we have a producer process that loops through this Excel spreadsheet. You can see here that we have information about the leads, such as first name, last name, job title, and etc. And it will put these 10 rows here on a database. This step was already performed. I already executed the producer process, so you will not be seeing it in this video. And then the consumer process will then query this information in the database, and for each row it retrieves, it will process it on the CRM website. So the consumer process will be responsible for navigating here, logging in to the CRM website, navigating here to the lead section on the create lead section, filling these fields based on information it retrieves, saving the lead, and then it will do this for all 10 rows, and when all of them are processed, it will log out of the system here. The main benefit of utilizing the HTTP framework is scalability, because you can manage the performance of your robots by increasing the number of processes running simultaneously. So, like, for example, you think that the rows are not getting consumed fast enough with just one consumer process running, you can then execute 2 more robots or 3 more robots, so you can adequate it to the performance you desire. So I will now log out here from the system and close the spreadsheet, so I can run here the consumer process. Okay, so the robot was executed, and I will log in once again to the CRM website. And you can see here on my activity string each of the items of the leads that were created here on the system.